Where?
It's right there, just east of the water tower. I just saw a bunch of rain just what looked like.
Look like birds almost. Oh yeah, look at the scud. It's a tornado!
Yeah.
Look at the white debris on the ground. See it? Tornado.
I see it.
White spray.
Tornado on the ground.
Tornado. It's still on the ground.
We had a tornado on the ground right here.
Oh yeah, there it is. See it?
Yep.
There it is.